Is450 again. I'm Professor Fahmi Jalani. Today our episode would be lecture 19, managing IT service delivery. Will be a short lecture. So in the overview, we will look at incremental outsourcing. This is basically covers internet-based new IT services model, management of incremental outsourcing, and also large-scale outsourcing and how these complex alliances can be managed. Okay. Today is quite common for large company to outsource their services. Also in the government body today, also we see that, for example, CIA is working together with Amazon in cloud. Okay. So let's move on. Internet-based open technology basically is flexible and efficient, a combination of both modules and sources. Can share the communication infrastructure with business partners and customer, interact via common interfaces, for example, a web browser. Based on TCP/IP standard, interoperable well, software to bridge system are simple and standardized and inexpensive. Let's log into specific vendor technology. Next, we have proprietary technologies, monolithic, expensive and unsatisfactory. Basically, this needs firms' own communication infrastructure to reach business partners and customer. Difficult to interoperative, need complex software to bridge. Log into specific software vendor technologies. Next, we have revisit the transaction cost theory. Basically, the total cost of governance by lease or owning. Production cost is basically cost of leasing or owning. And transactional cost is drafting contract, negotiating transaction, exchanges, safeguarding contracts, securing commitments, and cost of changing the contract to respond to changing needs. Next, we have a service model, incremental outsourcing of IT service. This is basically internet-based open technology, diverse, complicated IT infrastructure, and proliferation and maturing IT services. Internet outsourcing as IO as management alternative based on separation of ownership, execution for user, owning asset versus buying using services, specialized provider who operates the software, store user data versus a local software execution on user PC. Having said that, it's flexible and efficient internet-based technology and emerging new business models such as on-demand, software as services, utility on-grid computing. Okay. What the benefit of IO? Contrast to owning asset, basically to managing the shortage of skilled IT workers. Today we see companies are outsourcing to different parts of the world. Reduce the need to hire skilled staff, especially for higher, medium and size firm. Low fixed labor costs, flexibility. Reduce time to market new product services, quick to develop capabilities for new business model, responsiveness. The shift to 24/7 real-time operation. Specialized vendor can provide real-time operation with high availability, anytime responsiveness. Also is quite favorable cash flow profiles, a small amount of upfront fee and immediate benefit versus large upfront investment that takes a long payback period soon and out cash flow, low cost and flexibility. Cost reduction in IT service chain, centralized services by specialized vendor, reduce the cost of services due to scale and easy to upgrade, maintain software, reduce the price of service, low cost. Making application globally accessible, services are available anywhere, anytime, scope and responsiveness. Downside, losing technology or state of the art not available. Last but not least, we have incremental outsourcing, or you call web hosting. For example, hosting model from simple to customized, co-location hosting firms, facilities, infrastructure, floor space, connectivity, power, share hosting, purchase space on a server, dedicated hosting, server are dedicated to individual customer. Simple, server provides simple standard function. Complex, two or more server provides customer-based business need, a wide range but standardized function. And the last point, customized services function beyond hosting company's standard. Okay. So that's pretty much for managing IT services. Today we see companies which are large or even small companies, they tend to outsource to their advantage. It could be to a different geographical place, or just because of their capabilities and efficiency of the company with IT skill worker. So if you have any question, please email me or drop by my office for an appointment. Stay safe and thank you very much. Bye bye.